In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Patreon payment failed. If your Patreon payment didn't go through, don't worry. In most cases, this can be fixed pretty quickly by checking a few important details and making sure your payment method is fully supported. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you know exactly what to look for. The first thing to do is verify your card details. Go to your payment settings and carefully check that the card number, expiration date, security code, and billing zip or postal code are all entered correctly. Even a very small mismatch can cause the payment to fail. It's also important that the billing address information matches what your bank has on file. If anything looks outdated or incorrect, update it and save your changes before trying again. Next, check for bank restrictions. Sometimes the issue is not Patreon itself, but the bank blocking the transaction. Open your bank's mobile app or check your card settings through online banking and confirm that your card allows foreign transactions, secure online purchases, and recurring payments. Patreon charges can sometimes be flagged if your card has international or subscription-related restrictions turned off. If you don't see these options in your banking app, you may need to contact your bank directly and ask them to allow the transaction. After that, head back to Patreon and manually retry the payment. Go to your membership details and look for the option to trigger a retry. This is useful if you've already corrected your card information or updated your bank settings. If the retry still doesn't work, the next option is to switch payment methods. You can add a completely new card or connect a PayPal account instead. In many cases, using a different payment method is the fastest solution, especially if the original card keeps getting declined for reasons outside your control. It also helps to understand the payment timeline. Patreon does not always stop after one failed attempt. The platform usually continues retrying failed payments over a 30-day period. That means even if your payment doesn't go through right away, you may still have time to fix the issue before anything changes on your account. If the payment remains unresolved after around 30 days, your paid membership may be converted to a free membership. So to recap, make sure your card details are accurate, confirm your bank isn't blocking the charge, manually retry the payment or switch to a different method, and keep the retry window in mind. Following these steps should help you get your Patreon membership back on track.